bought the book already? The Think book? The workbook you bought already? Yes, right. Hello? Shafika, you bought it, right? Cannot hear, lah.
What?
Do you buy the Think workbook already?
Workbook, yes.
What about Sophia? Sophia, turn on your video. Did you buy the workbook, Sophia? 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 Is Sophia there? She's the one who logged in first. Sophia! Sophia. Both of you are having the same workbook, is it? Or different workbook? Do you remember? Same, right? So, okay, Shafika, do me a favor, Shafika. Can you take your Think workbook? Can you take a photo? Are you using the phone now as the camera? What?
Yes.
Sophia. Sophia. I will send a message to the mom. Mana ni Sophia ni? Sophia. Sophia, where are you, Sophia? Please come online. We are starting now.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Thank you very much. No problem. No problem. Okay, Sophia, can I check? Did you buy your school textbook is Discovery? I forgot. Discover or Think?
New Discovering Mathematics.
Good. Do you buy the other book? Do you buy the other book?
No, I
Think book
like
this. No more stock.
no.
This one, something like that.
I wanted to go to
This one. Okay, by next week you get this book, can? Remember, don't get the one with. Can you see this one, Norman Academic? Get the one without this. Without means so Shafika, you bought the express one, right? Okay, so we'll go through now. What do you not know? Okay, you tell me now straight, since there's only two of you. What do you teacher go through you, Sophia, in school?
Prime numbers.
Prime numbers. Prime numbers.
Yeah.
Prime factorization. You know how to do it?
Yeah, prime numbers. Yeah, I do.
But you know how to do? What about you, Shafika?
Yeah.
Teacher went through the same thing. So that means you got no problem. You know only the factor trees, or you know the ladder method also. You know both method? Okay, we do that. Okay, we do that now. Okay, you try take out your exercise book. I'll show you both methods in case your teacher teaches you one method and another method. Okay, let's say now 208. The method I taught you like this, you know how to do, right? You do this method first, and then do another one. Do you know the other method like that? Okay, then we show you.
But then that one like I
okay,
but
this
I know
method
how
is superior. You know how to do. Okay, I just run through with you. Okay, one by one. Okay, you tell me now. You use your calculator. You tell me now. So divide by 2. What do you get now down here? Divide by 2. You get 104. Divide by 2. You get 52. I'm faster than you. Divide by 2. You get 20.
26.
Divide by 2. You get
13.
13. That's all right. 13 is a prime number. So this now is 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to the power 4 times 13. Are you lost? Are you lost, Shafika? You know how to? Shafika, you know what I'm explaining? Okay. Okay. Now next one. Watch. Watch what we do next one. Now next one is very important because this is a shortcut for doing HCF and LCM also. So same thing now. You divide by 2. Sophia, down here you can see Sophia. Divide by 2, 104. Divide by 2 again, you get 52. Divide by 2 again, you get 26. Divide by 2 again, 13. Divide by 2 again, you get 1. So this one you must get 1. You copy this method. So this one you get 1. Must get this one. You have just no more prime number to break down. This is the smallest prime number. So now down here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to the power 4 times 13. Correct, same thing. Now, why is this one superior? I'm going to show you now. Do you know what is HCF? Do you know what's LCM?
Highest
common factor. Highest common factor, lowest common multiple. Now, I'm going to show you using this, you can do it. Using this, you cannot do it. Okay, now we're going to try. Okay. This one, okay, not? Hey, you all are okay with this? Am I going too fast? Shafiqah, am I going too fast? No, you're from madrasah, you're faster than the rest. Inshallah. Okay, now. By the way, what is the factor? Before we go, I think you might forget. Sophia, what are the factors of 10 in 10 seconds? 9, 8.
1, 2. Okay.
Okay, well done.
One.
Well done. Okay, correct. That means you know the number you divide by, you know.
Yeah.
Shafiqah, what are the give me the first 3 multiples of 7. 10,
Multiple.
9.
14, 21.
Okay, well done. Okay, so you know. Okay, well done. So find the lowest common multiple or n highest common factor of 24 and 40. These two, please. Can you try first? Use your primary school method if you want. Find the lowest common multiple and highest common factor of 24 and 40. You find? Once you finish, you tell me. I will show you shortcut method. Can you read my handwriting again, right? Shafiqah, you look like a big girl now. What happened in the last 2 weeks? Something must have happened. I'm just joking. See, Shafiqah, don't off the video. Please don't off the video. HCF of 24 and 40.
Teacher. What does LCM mean? Like
Lowest common multiple. That means now you must. Oh, sorry. Just sorry. Find the HCF lah. Okay. Otherwise, it's too much for you guys lah. Find the HCF of 24 and 40 first. Then
highest common multiple.
The highest common factor.
The highest is like what? Oh, factor.
What?
Like the highest.
What's right like that? 24. 1 times 24. Then what's the biggest number? Remember or not? You all forgot lah. 1 times 40. So what's the number? Okay, got answer? I want only the highest, Shafiqah. Highest. This is not, none of them are the highest. What's your answer, Sophia?
For 24 is.
No, we want only.
24.
That means you don't know. Highest means highest common is. Okay, we do together lah.
Okay.
You know not what it means, common. Common means the same. Okay, I'll write down here now. Okay, can you see this one? I'll show you. Right now. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. 1 times 40, 2 times 20, 4 times 10. So answer is 8, correct? Okay, now I'm going to show you method by using the ladder method, okay? Can you see now? Both can see here. We do the listing method, we can get 8. Now, this is a very long method. This one, if I give you thousands and thousands, how you're going to have a long method. So now we do like that. 24, 40. Okay. We do that. That's now. We divide by the smallest prime number. Divide by 2. You get 12. You get 20. Now the question is, can both numbers be divided by 2? Can or cannot? Hello? Can both numbers be divided by 2? Yes or no?
Can.
Yes. So you must circle. Hey, look, you all are not looking. Shafika, you're doing something else. Don't look down. Now we do, if both can be divided by 2, you circle the 2. I repeat, so you follow, you circle 2. Now we divide by 2 again. Can both be divided by 2? 6, 10. Both can be divided by 2 or not?
Yes.
Circle again. Now we move on to the next one. Can both be divided by 2 again?
Yeah.
You get what? You must circle again. And then the next one, you divide by 3, because only one can divide by 3. Do not circle. Now you must divide by 5 to make it 1, 1. Remember, for this one, you're going to make it 1, 1. Now let us see the numbers you have circled. 2, 2, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. Can you see we have just gotten the highest common factor? I repeat, whatever number, if they give you 2 numbers here, if all 2, both of them can be divided by the factor, you circle it. Both can be divided, you circle it. Both can be divided, you circle it. Only one can divide, the other one cannot, don't circle, but put it down here. Down here, put it down. How? Then you circle one, you times each other. 2 times 2 times 2, 8 is the highest common factor. Are you okay? Now you find the LCM. You find the LCM of these 2 numbers. Come. This one, 24, and let's say now you have something like this now. 1 over 24 plus 1 over 40. Don't go take 24 times 40. You can find the LCM. So what is the smallest common number multiple? Can you find?
1.
What's your answer? 5.
1.
Then I put 1 down here. I want
Lowest
to know
one.
common multiple means this one we list down 24, 48.
Multiple.
Multiples, multiply. Then this one 40, 80. What is the smallest that both of them are the same?
Can you use calculator?
Yes, please do. You're in set 1 now. You can use calculator. Please. Jiayo.
My answer is 120.
120. Shafika, can you get 120 also? Yes, okay. I just list for 72. This is 96, then 120. This one, the third one, 120. Now, what about this one? You saw what we did, right? Watch. Otherwise, you will miss the point. Sophia. Yeah, Sophia. Look. Look at what I do. You use your calculator now, both of you. Use your calculator. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5.
120.
120. Shafika, you got 120 or not? So this method, the ladder method, you can find HCF and LCM one shot. This is a very useful method. Factor 3s you cannot. Factor trees only give you prime factorization. So for me, I prefer this method. You get it, huh? Girls, you get it on the girls. Please, make sure you get it. Okay, let's try now. I'm gonna, since you are, yeah, you got it. I think you get it. So let me see. Okay, I need you to get the express book. Next week we will start with the. Now it's still more or less the same as NA lah. Your syllabus is more or less the same as NA. So we are still going through the NA. Okay. Can you please try question number 5? Let's try 36. Sorry, ED and E. D and E. But this
Teacher,
is
is this? Sorry. Teacher.
yeah. So okay, bring your adik here. Come, I'll talk to your adik. Come, bring your adik here. Come, I'll talk to him. Sometimes you need to do that. Come, adik, come, adik. What's your name, adik?
No,
Adik, come back.
I'm wearing iron.
Okay. All right.
Okay,
Okay.
teacher, this one is from the last week one, is it?
Oh, it's content. Did we do this?
This one
Did we do
is
this?
3.
We have done it.
Yeah, I think. Yeah.
Okay, we have done. I think we have not. Okay, the factor 3. No, this one can. But I want you to try doing your. Okay, never mind. We'll move on. So let us see now. Okay, you try this, but you use the ladder method. This one. Use this method. This one. Don't use factor 3. Straight away use 72 and 38, and then find what is. Okay, you find A first. Then later we go to B. Okay.
The A1 is
You put,
right?
yeah. No. It's not. We didn't do this. You put 72, 378. You put Shafika, Sophia. You put 72 down here. Put 378 straight. Can you see my screen? You cannot see. Okay.
Yeah, I can see.
You can see. You put 72 here. You put 378 here, and then you do the prime factorization, and you do the. Okay, then you can get the what I'm talking about.
Teacher, is the answer 2 times 3 to the power of 2 times 4 times 21? Is that right?
Okay. We will come there in a moment. Okay, this one, when they say prime factorization, they're not asking for LCM and HCF. I want to see whether you understand what I'm talking about. So down here now, you have to give 72. Sorry, 72. What is index notation? And
Is it
378.
1512?
Okay, that means we are confused. That's what okay. So
Oh,
now what you do? Okay, now what you do, instead of doing together, you do 72, 1, and the other one 378, you do another one. Can you do separate? Separate it, don't do together. Or you want to use factor 3, up to you. I will show the screen again. Okay, because
Must
The
do what?
answer for
Must do what?
no, you find the prime factorization, they tell you.
Miss.
Express this in index notation. That means you forgot. Okay, we do together just as a revision. Divide by 2, 36. Divide by 2, how much? 18. Divide by 2, 9. You cannot divide by 2. Divide by 3, 3. Divide by 3, 1. So there's 1, 2, 3. 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 2. That's the index notation for 72. 378, you all do lah. Sophia, you got the answer for 378? Not yet,
I got the answer for 72.
Okay, so 72 is correct. So Shafika, you understand, son? The one in this form, index notation is this. This is also prime factorization.
Teacher, my answer for 278 is 2 times 3 to the power of 2. Sorry. 2 times 3 to the power of 3 times 7.
Times 7.
Yeah.
There's only 1, 2 lah.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. What about Shafika?
Wait.
Okay, we wait for one. Don't no rushing. There's only 2 of you. Sophia? Okay, wow. So Sophia, you try to get by next Saturday, okay? And next Sunday. Go when I go use that book already. So Shafika, is it the same?
Yeah.
Same, Okay, now, so 2 times 3 to the power 3 times 7, okay. So let us look at the question again. You have already done this. By saying 72 equals to 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 2. 378, 2 times 3 to the power 3 times 7. Okay, this is done. Now the next question is where the headache is, okay? They say 72W is a multiple of 378. 72W is a multiple of 378. So 378, can you use your calculator? 378, what's the next number? Times 2, what's the answer? 378 times 2?
756.
756. Some more? Times 378 times 3?
1134.
Okay, this will continue, okay? They say when you take 72 times W, we do not know what is the value of W. It might be 1, might be 2, it might be 3, it might be 4. This number can be divided by 3, 7, 8. You will get, when you take 72 times W, you might get one of this. One of the multiples will be when you times both of them together. Okay, so we understand certain things first.
I don't understand.
Okay, yeah, I know you don't understand. So I'm gonna, you know what's a multiple of 378? This one is 378 times 1. This one 378 times 2. This one 378 times 3. This one 378 times 4. This one you get it? Shafika get it? Shafika? Shafika? Don't know what are you doing, Shafika? You're doing homework. Don't do homework. They said 378 times 1. This is times 2, get 756. Times 3, get 1134. These are all the multiples of 378. Now let us look at the question, because the question is a little bit complex. You need to understand this. And remember, girls, you are now in the express stream. This is normal academic work. Your express one is slightly tougher, more tougher than this. So that's why you need to understand this one. Look, so what does it mean? They say W is a whole number. It can be 1, it can be 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever number. When you times it to 72, it becomes a multiple of this. So how to find? Okay, very simple. Okay, how to find? You have already, now for maths, you must remember, if in part A, they ask you to do index notation like this, that means this part down here has a connection with this part. They ask you to do index notation, right? That means this is a stepping stone to solve this problem. So let us see now. They say, here we go. Now here, you can see my screen, or do I need to, you can see my screen, huh? Okay, I just 72W, what is it equal to? 72W, this is 72, right? 72W is same thing as 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 2 times W lah. Correct not? You see, I'm just going to repeat again. 72 is equals to 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 2. Correct? So 72W is equals to 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 2 times W. Okay, now. Okay, now they say when you list the multiples of 378, this is one of the multiples. Let us look at how the question is phrased. Okay. All right, now 72W is a multiple of 378. 72W is a multiple of 378. That means one of these numbers here, 2 times 3 to the power 3 times 7, you times one more number, that will be equal to this number. Alamak, blah, 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 blah. Okay, never mind. I'm jumping too far. Okay, we'll take note of this. We'll come back to this. Okay, we'll come back to this. We will come back to this. Maybe I will show you. Okay, let me just see. Let us look at the. Okay, let us look. This is the first one. It's a little bit tough to go straight into this. Okay. Okay. All right, then I will move on. Okay, I'll move on to the next one. You all are still at prime factorization, right? So let us do HCF and LCM now. Okay, I will ask you straight to do this one. This is now, I didn't. Okay, this one KIV first. Okay, we come back to this another time. but we are going to do something linked to what I taught you earlier. Find the HCF of A, 18 and 45, B, 378 and 1050. Using the ladder method, remember the ladder method, how to do? Okay, you draw the line, put the two numbers, you just find the HCF only, highest common factor. But I need to see your working, eh? You need to show me your work. Okay, can I see your working, please? Show me your working.
I don't know about
What's your first one? Show me. Okay, good. Okay, what are you going to circle? You didn't circle, eh? Do you circle the 3?
Is the highest
Highest common factor. What's your answer, Shafika?
3.
3 only, eh?
Oh, 9.
9. Okay, Shafika, show me your working, Shafika. I need to see your working. Because I need to check whether you do it correctly, yeah? Shafika, where are you?
Wait.
Now, okay, I'll wait for you. Sophia, you got to start with number 2 first, not number 3. We start with the smaller one first.
But then 45 cannot divide by 2.
Yeah, so that means you don't circle that. Okay, never mind. Okay, no problem. If you're comfortable with that, it's okay. Okay, I'm going to show you my method. Wait for Shafika. I want to see Shafika's one first. You just wait for a while. You can do the next one, Sophia, while we're waiting for the...
Am I right?
Your answer is, your working is correct. But I need, what's your answer? What's the HCF?
9.
9 is correct. But you didn't circle anything?
Oh, yeah, I just circle.
You must circle lah, so that you know.
Okay, now.
You already circle? Wait. Okay, correct. Okay, correct. Yeah, correct. Okay, thank you. Shafika, what about you, Shafika? Okay, thanks. Shafika? Wait. Don't put down now. Shafika, let me see. Okay, Shafika, you're doing separate. Okay, put down. Shafika, do together, Shafika. Like this. What happened, Shafika? Okay, we do like that. See, Shafika, 1845. You put it side by side. Okay, can you divide by 2, Shafika? Both can divide or 1 only? 1, right? So divide, get 9. This one you bring it down only. Can divide by 2 anymore? Shafika, can divide by 2? Any one of them? Can divide by 3? Both can divide by 3. Let's see. Divide by 3. Both can divide by 3. Shafika, circle this one. Both can divide, you circle. Now, can divide by 3 again, Shafika? Can. You get 1, you get 5. Both can divide by 3, Shafika? Both can divide by 3. Then divide by 3, you get 5 what? Circle again. Now, there's 5 on here, so divide by 5. You get 1. Now you're completed. So what is the next step, Shafika? How do you find the HCF? Take the circle numbers. Times itself. 3 times 3 get 9. Okay. We try the next one. B, please. Sophia, what's the answer for B, Sophia?
Then the 3 and 3 must times.
Yeah, then you get HCF. If you want to find LCM, Sophia, what do you do to find LCM for this one? Sophia?
What?
For this one, how to find LCM? Lowest common multiple.
LCM, lowest common.
Just times all of them. 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Okay, remember, huh? You want to find LCM, you times all of them. You want to find HCF, only the circle one you times. Okay? Okay. Please try. The next one. 378. Yes.
I don't know because like there's two like the same numbers like it's like this only.
Can divide by 2 what? Okay. You divide by 2, both can divide by 2. Why you didn't circle? You got to circle out of first one.
There's no but like it has to be like the same number.
I thought it's the same number. 378. Okay.
No, because like 189 cannot divide by 2.
But 37.
We
Okay.
find the highest common factor.
Yeah, same thing. Highest common factor. Look, can 378 divide by 2, Sophia?
Yes.
You get what?
189.
1050?
525.
So you just divided both of them. You must circle here. You just divided both of them by 2. What? Do you divide this by 2 get 189? You divide by 2 get 525. How come you say don't got no same number?
Oh, so is it only like circle the first two numbers?
No, first two numbers. Circle all those numbers that you divide both of them by. It can be the first number, it can be not. You see the first number here. This one can divide by 2, this one cannot. I don't circle. This one can divide by 3, can divide by 3. I circle. This one can divide by 3, can divide by 3. I circle. This one can divide by 5, cannot divide by 5. I don't circle. I only circle when both can be divided by this number here.
Then why you never
Very long
divide?
at the numbers. Now I have not finished. I must divide some more. Can divide by 2?
Huh?
3.
No. 3.
Okay, now you divide by 3. This one can divide by 3? You
Yeah.
get 83, yeah.
No, 63.
63. This one you get
175.
175. Can be divided, is it? Then both can divide. You must also circle. Both can divide, right? Is it confirmed? This can you just check your calculator? 5 to 5.
Sure, but then like for the 18 and 45, right?
Yes.
Why you never circle the 2?
Because only
Answer
18
42.
Yes, 42 is correct. 18 can divide by 2, 45 cannot. It's odd number.
Oh.
Right? Only when both.
Okay.
So now the next, okay. So now we do together lah. Then the next one can divide by 3, right?
Next one cannot.
Only one of them can divide. 63, you get 21. This one cannot, huh? This cannot, so we leave it alone. Can divide by 3 again.
But you said that one, I didn't get that one. I didn't get that one.
You didn't get
because
one?
63 I divide by 7. And 175 I divide by 7.
Yeah, but that's why don't we follow step by step? We start with the smallest prime number, then you grow bigger. Otherwise, it becomes haphazard. Because you start big, then go small, go big, big go small.
But then 175 cannot divide by 3.
Yeah, so we don't circle.
Oh.
Okay now. If we cannot divide, we do. Only one can divide. We still divide, but we don't circle.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So now can divide. You get 7. You get 175. So what is the next prime number? 4. 4 is not a prime number, right? 5, right? 5 is a prime number. So 7 cannot. We just bring the 7 down. 175 can. 175 you get how many? 15.
35.
35, yes. 35, well done. So now divide by 5 again. 7, and this one is 7. Now divide by 7, both can divide by 7. Circle it. 1, 1. Now you circle, can you see? You only circle those that are both can divide. If you have 3 numbers here, later I'm going to give you 3 numbers. You must make sure all 3 numbers can be divided, then you circle. So you have 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 7, 42. How? Is it okay?
Yeah.
All right, we move on to the next one. Okay, move on to the next one. Now we try. Just now, what did we do? Ya Allah. Sorry, yeah. Oh, I didn't do here. Sorry, it's from the book. It's from the book. Okay, the next two. Okay, this time once you're okay, then we move to 3 numbers. The next one is 95 and 361. 95 and 361.
What do you mean by 3 numbers?
Later we will have find the highest common factors of 3 numbers. Now it's only 2 only. Now it's still 2. After this, once you're okay, you will have a third number. It's like you have fraction like this lah. Imagine you have like that.
Oh.
You need to find the common denominator for 3 numbers, right? Same thing. Okay, you try HCF now.
Teacher, just now we do lowest common multiple, is it?
No, that's not all HCF.
Oh, okay. So
Highest
this
common
one
factor.
is
Yeah, it's not same thing. Same thing, yeah. Don't worry. Don't be unsure. Be.
if like both of them cannot divide 2, then go to 3.
Yeah, go to 3. You cannot, don't write the 2. Try 3. Cannot, you go some and the next until you can, then you write.
Can it be a 2 number?
Sorry, can it be a
Number.
big number? Can. But prime number, it's a prime number.
Answer 19.
Congratulations. Can I see your working, Shabika? Oh, you use primary school method lah. Dia pakai primary school method lah. Okay, why don't? Okay, thank you. Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay, thanks. I thought you used primary school method until you just draw the line. She proved me wrong. It's a big prime number.
Shaheed,
Yes.
my brother asked what is a cube root?
Cube root is a number. You know cube, right? Cube means the length of one side of a cube. How much is it? That's cube root. Length of one side of a cube. So the ice cube, let's say, your brother is what? Sec 2 brother. Length of one side of a cube, just like square root is length of one side of a square. You get it or not? Length of one side of a cube will be the same, right? All the sides are the same, right? So you know how to do it or not? Prime factorization. Can I? Oh, you hardworking lah. Your brother's handsome, huh? Of course, as a sister says, no lah, not handsome. Okay, Sophia, what's your answer, Sophia?
My answer is also 19.
19, huh? Ouch, ouch, ya Allah. Aduh, sorry. I kicked my own earphones. Okay, so first of all, what is the smallest prime number that can be divided by both? No, by one, sorry. By one is 5, right? So 5. And then you get 19. This one is still 361. We don't circle. 19 is a prime number. There is no other number you can divide except for 19. So I put 19 here. This become 1. This one become 19. This can divide by 19 also. Circle. Now divide by 19. 1, 1, 1. Highest common factor, 19. Okay, now we try 2. I think you're ready for 2 already.
Teacher, but then 5 is not a prime number.
5 is a prime number. There are 2 numbers. 5 can divide by 1. 5 can divide by 5. Right? Only 2 numbers can be divided. Right? Okay, now we try. Here we go. Find the HCF of 15, 90, and 225. Using the same method, okay? Use the same method like that. Shafika, you must draw the line, Shafika, like that. Okay?
Now we're doing 2 numbers.
Yeah. Same rule, Only when all 3 can divide, then you circle. Shafika, you got answer, Shafika? What's your answer?
15.
Okay, well done. I think both of you will do very well. Inshallah. Inshallah. Okay, sometimes it takes time. So Shafika, we ask you what's the LCM of the 3 numbers. You know what's the answer? Okay, later. You know what to do,
Yeah.
Yeah, I've not calculated myself, but I think it's Sophia?
My answer is also 15.
15. Okay, we check. Okay, so can divide by 2 first. So I put 2 first. Why I want to do by the smallest one? Because later it will help. 45, 225 can divide by 3, you get 5. Divide by 3, you get 15. This one you can divide by 3, Cannot, right? Cannot. Can, right? 225, what do you get? 210. 210 is 70. 70. Is it 75? Correct. Should be correct lah.
Teacher, for the second line is 5.
Second one is 5.
The second line.
This one. You started with 5, I started with 3.
No, for the like beside the 3, right? It's actually 5. Isn't it?
No, 15.
Oh, because I didn't do 2.
So then divide by 5. Again, all 3 can divide by 5. Oh, I still have 3. So 5, divide by 3, I get 25. Divide by 5. All of them can divide by 5. Divide by 5 again. So now your answer is 3 times 5, 15. But if I were to ask you now, what is the LCM? We'll ask Sophia to tell us what is the LCM. Shafika, you check. What's the LCM?
450.
450. Okay, Sophia, you check lah. Whether she's correct. Is she correct?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so you all know what to do. Just times. Simple or not? It's quite simple, right? So now we do the next one. We make sure that you are champions at this before we move on. Okay, we do 90. All right, let's try. 98. 1 to 6. And 2, 3, 8. Come, Sophia. You have nice nails and itchy also. Itchy nails. My mom's nail, she had a black line here. And it means it's cancer, possible cancer. So she went to check. Do you know you have a black line on here? You don't know? Got black line, you be careful, okay? That means might not be a good sign. Better go and get it checked.
Where?
Let's say any of this. Let's say now down here. You have like a dark line. Now I don't have dark line. I will take a photo of hers. Okay, I'll show you. You try to do it. Never mind. But hers is very faint, so cannot see. Yeah, I will check for you guys on. What's your answer, Sophia? Not yet.
You see 14?
Congratulations. Well done. Okay, we oh no. Okay, this is spotting that line on woman's name. Okay. Oh, thanks. Thank you. Lana. We wait for Sophia. You can get 14?
I got 14.
Sure. Okay. I'm just share screen with you. Okay, can you see this one here? Black line on the nail. More seriously, a black line or lines on nails can indicate the presence of melanoma, dangerous form of skin cancer. So let us see now. Can you see this time? My mom's one is not like that. Maybe this one looks too dark. Maybe hers is like maybe something like that. Not so clear. But you got to get it checked. If you check your parents, no, I'm not saying anything if you see anyone, but don't go on. This is like quite bad. Okay? On this side or whatever. I'm afraid I might be having one of them. I might have one from the center, but this one's from from here to here. So just oh yeah, means I might have, man. So can you see all this black? Just be careful. May have, doesn't mean you have confirmed. You got to go and get it checked. If it's like that, something is not quite right. So Allah has already given the system, you see, a system to identify whether there's something wrong with you or not. Okay, so we move on to the next one, 14. Okay, so you're okay. Now we find the next one. Okay, this time just two numbers, but you must find the LCM and HCF. LCM and HCF. This is what they will ask you to do. $54 and 72. LCM and HCF.
Teacher, wait a minute.
Yeah, sure.
For LCM is 648, HCF is 18.
LCM is 648. Can I see your working, please? Show me your working. Hold on. Don't move. Don't move. Miss. Hold on. Hold on. 36, 27. Hold on. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna find out where. What number is it? Oh, Sophia, you back?
Yeah.
What's your answer for the HCF?
I'm sorry, what?
HCF. Have you done? Okay, you go.
But
So, Shafika, your LCM is wrong. Huh? You say 600 something, is it? Something is wrong.
LCM.
Let me just check. What do you write? And HCF. Both. Shafika, you got too many threes, Shafika. Look at after 3, 4. Okay, Shafika,
Is
you
it
look at.
54?
No. You look at your paper. Okay, I'll show you your paper now. Let me share your paper here. Okay, can you now? This is your paper. Can you see your paper now, Shafika? Now down here you divide by 3, you get 1. Then why you divide by 3 again? What number do you divide down here? Down here nothing, right? Shafika. Correct or not? Ika, you understand or not? Can you see your mistake? So this one nothing. You did not divide by 3 here. You only divide 3 by 3, get 1. And so this one you got cancel. So what is your LCM? 54. Salah.
I didn't say that.
No, not you. Okay, what, Sophia? What's yours? LCM.
My LCM is 216.
216 is correct.
And
HCF
my
is
HCM is 18.
18. Are you in Ma'rif now? Ma'rif,
Huh?
yes. Yeah. You're in Ma'rif
No
or
lah.
Alsagoff? Alsagoff.
No, I'm in Radin lah.
Oh, Radin Mas. Okay. Okay, so Aljunaid, you got it wrong, huh?
No, my
Radin Mas
homie.
is no. You got it correct. 216 and 18 is correct. So got it, huh? Got it, huh? Okay, we try another one. Make sure that both get it again. Here we go. 104 and not 104. 168 and 224. Are you okay, Mr. Shafi? Are you all right? Need help? You can send me a question if you want to. Then if I have time, I'll go through you later.
Is HCF 56?
Congratulations. LCM?
Uh, 672.
67? 2. Okay, correct. Sophia, where are you, Sophia? That is a line from Rapunzel, you know. Sophia, Rapunzel, Rapunzel, the show.
Saya kata
It's not Rapunzel lah. It's Romeo and Juliet.
Not Rapunzel.
It's Romeo and Juliet.
All right, what's your answer, Sophia? Oh, yeah, sorry. Romeo, where down, Romeo. Yeah. Correct. Yeah. All right, you're right. Yes, Romeo. Okay, yeah. Okay, come, what's your answer for HCF? What happened? Adik, don't disturb kakak, adik. Don't pull her hair. Why are you doing that, adik? I cannot see your face. Where are you, adik? Adik? Where? I cannot see adik's face. Ah! Oh, handsome. Is it what's adik's name?
His name is Zafran.
Zafran. So Zafran, you go and get your book. I got the tissue mats now. Go and get your book. Are you doing what?
You
What are you
cannot
doing?
hear lah. You cannot hear.
Cannot hear. Okay. Never mind.
Because I'm wearing the...
Okay, no problem. Okay. All right. What's your answer? HCF and LCM? Okay, we are gonna have while we wait for Sophia's answer, I will show a page that we can use it. Use the means you all are quite fast lah. Okay, let us see. Okay, we're gonna. You can see this page now. Sophia, you tell me what's your answer. Okay, then I will. Okay, we'll do 11. What's your highest common factor is?
6. Is it 6?
Not 6. Okay, your lowest. You're doing no 56. Is it 56? 6 or 56?
No, it's 6.
6. Okay, okay. Shafika, also I'm not giving an answer. Shafika, what's your answer, Shafika? Shafika, what's your answer? There's 56, is it? He said 56. Can you get 56?
Yeah.
Yeah, but Sophia cannot get 56.
56 and 5. Wait,
56 and
6,
so
672.
672, yes. So the answer is 672 for LCM and 56. But let us see. Why don't you take you show me your can you show me the paper, Sophia? I check what is wrong straight. Yes, you couldn't be then. Wait, wait. Hold on, don't move. I'm trying to screenshot. Hold on. Okay, wait, just hold it there. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 3. 56 cannot divide by 3 lah. That's a mistake. Wait, divide by 2, yes, can. Divide by 3 can. Divide by 7. Okay. 4. Okay, that so should be okay, right? Hold on. So HCF, both of them, okay, look at the 7, okay. When you divide by 7, 7 can divide by 7, 28 can divide by 7, right? 7 can divide by 7.
Yeah.
So you got to circle that, okay? And I think if you multiply all of them, you will get 672, correct?
Yeah. I think. Wait.
Okay, good. Yeah, I just feel like chopping off my hair. Okay, we try now the question that is now here. Can you try 11A and B? 11A and B.
Teacher, is it raining at our place?
Yes, it's raining whole day.
Yeah, I know.
It's nice, huh?
Even like yesterday, so like seems like this whole week. Actually, like from last week.
But do you have aircon at home?
Yeah, but we rarely use it.
Okay, I don't have aircon, so
Okay, I'm like the person who cares about climate change in my life.
Wow, very good. So you don't use aircon,
like,
right?
I mean like it depends lah. But like if like if like sometimes my mother switch on the aircon, then I'll switch it off very fast after they go out.
Do you use straws? Do you use straws?
I use lah, but then I recycle actually.
Yeah, Shafika?
I don't understand.
You know, prime factorization.
Is that one? Is this one?
The one we did the index notation. Remember? 2 to the power of 3.
That power.
You must know the different type, how they can write the question. Huh?
Find it.
Yeah, you got supposed to do for 390, and the other one is HCF for 390 and 234.
Teacher, my answer for A is 2 times 3 times 5 times 13.
Hold on, 2 times 3 times 5 times 13. Well done. Answer for B? Not yet,
See, my one is 2 times 3 times 5 times 13.
Well done. Answer B?
My answer for B is 2. What?
Highest common factor?
78.
Okay.
78. Do you get 78, Sophia?
Yeah.
You sure, huh? Okay. Now, you try. I'm not going to tell you what this question is. You read through and you try to understand, you try to solve without any help anymore. This is like your test paper like that. Can do? Believe in yourself. Girls, what are you doing, girls? Can you show me what you no just I want to see what it
My
is. So this
answer,
question is supposed
my
to be very
answer,
direct. Show me what you
okay.
your answer. Can see not what you're doing first. Hold on. I just need to see. Okay. Wait.
40 and
Oh, you okay. You're doing like that. Hold on. Shafiq, hold on. Wait. Shafika, can you show me what you're doing? Oh, show me a picture. Show me your paper. Okay, thank you, Sophia. Thanks, Sophia. Wow. Okay. Okay, good. You have done that. Okay. You complete what you're doing, then I'll show you something that you will say. Ah. You complete what you're doing. Sophia, you got an answer for HCF of 1,200 and 1,960?
Yes, my
What's the
answer
answer?
for HCF is 40.
40.
And then for the lowest common multiple is
Yeah, for LCM is how much?
for, what? For LCM is 58800.
Okay. But you've done, your answer is correct, but you've done a very long way. Shafika, is your answer the same? 40. Okay. Now let me I'm going to show you now something, okay? Don't be surprised, huh? Don't be surprised. Let us see now. I'm going to open up one first. I think this one is Shafika's one. And later, can you see this one? This is Shafika, yours, huh? Right? So now you have done prime factorization for both, but okay, you got this, and then after that, what do? You continue. After that, you don't care about prime number already. Okay, let's see, divided by 6. All right, you got the same answer here. What about yes? Okay, okay, you did same thing. Both of you did the same thing. Okay. Um, actually, what you don't get it is this. The book already give you. Oh, sorry. The book already given you the prime factorization. Can you see that down here? 2 to the power 4 times 3 times 5 to the power 2. 2 to the power 3 times 5 times 7 to the power 2. So I'm going to write this down so that you know how to find HCM and LCM when they already have given you the prime factorization. Here, I write it down first. 1, 2, 0, 0. Okay, 5 to the power 2. The other one is 1960 to the power 3 times 5 times 7 to the power 2. Okay, please now, if you understand, Shafika, come back, Shafika. Don't go far away. Don't go to your brother, Shafika. He's a bad influence. I'm joking. No, he's good influence. He's good influence. Okay, now you see just now when we circle the similar numbers, factors, right? Remember? So down here is 2 to the power of 3. That means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to the power 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So how many of them will be the same? 3, right? 2 to the power 3, to the power 3. Correct or not? You look at your working now. Yours also, you have 3 2s that you circle. Correct or not? You look at your working. Do you circle 3 2s? Shafika, don't daydream. Shafika, you're looking through me. You can even see the back of my head now. Please look at your work, your working. You should. Can you see you circle 3 2s? Correct or not? And then after that, you can see you circle 1 5 also. This is 5 times 5. You circle 1 5, correct? Correct or not? So 2 times 2 times 2, 8. 8 times 5, 40. Look, I don't even need to do the working. I can tell the answer from here. Why? Why can I tell? I spread it out.
Yeah,
Then you can.
but then they say 4, but then 2 to the power of 4.
Okay. No. So
So
I'm
like, then,
I'm going to write it down for you. It's like that. You can see the red handwriting? Can see now? Okay, now you can see. I'm going to circle. Ika. Shafika. Okay, you see 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. 3, 2, 3, 2. The fourth two, leave it alone. Okay. 5, 5. Shafika! Hey, now you're behaving like Shafia. All right, so now you see these are all the same ones. So you get the HCF 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, 840. Then what about HCF? HCF, I give you the formula okay, because you look very tired already. You're pretending to focus, but you are already in a la land. Okay, I give you the formula. For HCF, take the smaller of the same. These two the same. Which one is smaller? 2 to the power 3 or 2 to the power 4? Sophia, which one? Sophia, which one is smaller?
Huh?
Sophia. 2 to the power 3 or 2 to the power 4? Which one is smaller?
2 to the power of 3.
5 or 5 square? Which one is smaller?
5.
2 to the power 3 is 8 times 5, 40. That's your HCF. So HCF, you see whatever is the same, take the smaller one. Shabika, stop looking at your brother. Hey, brother, stop walking around. You are distracting her. Now, you have the same number, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 3. All right? You take the smaller one, the smaller number down here, 2 to the power 3. 5 square 5. You take the smaller one. You times these 2, you will get your HCF. Then what about LCM? LCM, you take the larger number. So now we ask Shafika, which one is not larger? 2 to the power 3 or 2 to the power 4? 2 to the power 4. But you sound like a robot. 3 down here, there isn't only one, also you square it. 5 or 5 to the power 2, which one is larger?
5 to the power of 2.
Okay. And then 7 to the power 2, you also do it. You just take, even they don't have it, you take it. So all the square one, 2 to the power 4 times 3 times 5 to the power 2 times 7 to the power 2. That is your LCM. But you are now in a different zone. So it's okay. Never mind, we will try again another time. We'll try again another time. Now we finish the, you try it down here. You don't need to do the working anymore. From here, can you find what is the, no, this one cannot. This one cannot. This one cannot. Hold on. Okay, you try this one. Question 13.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell us a story?
Okay, I'll tell you the story. About what story you want to hear? True story.
I don't know. Any story that is long.
Antu story
Yeah.
No.
Why?
Fine lah. Sorry.
Don't Antu story lah. I'll tell you a funny story lah. In fact, I'll tell you a true story.
No, the story is nicer.
No, this is, no, you can check this. Do you know what has happened in the US today? The Americans,
is it a new COVID-19?
No, the Americans they went to storm the capital of US. That means they go and attack their own country, like the White House, like that. It's not White House, it's US Capitol. So many people with guns and all that, and they went into the MP's office and they sit down, and they even killed one policeman who was inside trying to protect. They take a fire extinguisher and knock him on the head and he died.
Oh.
That is happening in the US now because President Trump, who's supposed to step down, tell them to do not give up. He actually won the election. So
To accept.
Yeah, he doesn't want to accept. He's saying that they cheated. So finally, the people their own American whites, they go and attack their own capital with guns and bombs and whatnot. Can you imagine? You go and watch the news, you can see this is a real, what is that? It's a hair clip on an eraser.
Yeah, correct. It's a girl eraser.
Okay, I got no stories because I'm now making up stories. But the
The story
US
is very
capital
boring.
boring.
Yeah.
Then you watch some of my sketches lah. You might be interesting for you. Do you watch? I made a
No.
fool of myself, but you can watch. You can go
What
to
sketches?
sketches of maths learning, of the office, and there's another one I'm going to release tomorrow. Is about a character that I play
You
lah.
draw.
Huh?
Oh wait, have you guys done the movie? Like
Not movie.
what?
The movie itself, there's so many parts, so it cannot be released yet. But with the skits
What
and
is it
sketches.
about? What is it about?
It's about a maths teacher who wants to learn, a teacher who wants to learn how to teach maths. That's what it is.
No.
Maybe
Okay.
we will do a movie about you, lah, Sophia. Can.
No
Okay, then
what?
I tell you what, we will stop here, lah. We will see you next week. You have any questions or not? Can you WhatsApp me your
Yes,
question? You
yes,
have.
I have a question. Yeah.
So
What's are you?
my age now, I'm gonna turn 51. I'm just an
Oh,
old man. I'm an old man now. I think I'm older than your parents now. And
yeah.
I have not grown up. I can see that Shafika has this love for spider web or something. Okay, then I got to go. I got to prepare for my next. The thing is 1 minute away, so I hope you halalkan the 1 minute. Okay,
Okay.
assalamualaikum.
It's
Take
already 5.
care. Yeah, all right. Bye bye.